Princess Rosario's snoring buzzes nearly sounded like Princess Peach from Super Mario Party and Mario Party Superstars for the Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna play both of them to see which one's better. Starting off with Princess Rosario's snoring buzzes. In 3, 2, 1, go. Very unknown and depressing at the same time. The snore came from an unknown cartoon that I don't know, and if you know where it came from, comment down the show where it came from, and be honest! And now for Princess Peach screaming. That was the most hilarious and dramatic screaming sound ever. This makes me laugh so freaking hard. Which sound did you like the most in the comparison? Comment down below. And this is me signing off.